Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and we have very interesting news with LG that might be leaving the smartphone market. We know that smartphone market is a very competitive side, and it is one of those places where not a lot of people are actually making money with this branch, and competition is strong. There's some Chinese stuff. There's, of course, the big gun companies like Samsung and Apple that are dominating the market. And that leaves, of course, the other players with less market share and, of course, less money coming in. So, I think in 2020 with COVID, that also made some changes and some made some companies rethink their strategy as to what they want to do going forward. So basically, LG is in its thinking phase where it might be leaving the smartphone market. So this is kind of interesting to look at. It's something that we will, of course, follow, but that would be one player less on the smartphone market. You know what? I'm not sure of. I don't like when companies stop doing certain technologies and devices and leave only a handful of companies on the market, because the less competition, the more they can play with the prices and have. Already these devices are extremely expensive. These companies can actually take over and say, hey, now that we're alone, we can actually even sell them for even more money. And not just that, there's the innovation side also. When there's a lot of companies doing the same thing, well, there's always somebody trying to do something new that could be cool. And it helps because sometimes there's that new feature that people love and other companies want to pick up on it. While we have less competition, that also means that there's going to be less competition in the innovation side. So maybe less new features that are attracting the user, especially right now with smartphones kind of pretty much every year being the same old thing with just more power. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.